Start. Learned advocate appearing on behalf of the respective petitioners has vehemently submitted that the case of the petitioners for admission in the MBBS course under the reserved category of PWD for the academic year 2019-20 shall not be governed by notification dated 4/2/2019 and that they shall be governed by the MCI regulations 2017. It is submitted that the relevant date to ascertain eligibility of the petitioners for medical course is to be determined on the date when the process of selection commenced. It is submitted that on the relevant date, MCI Regulations 2017 dated 22/1/2018 were applicable and therefore eligibility for medical course is to be determined in terms of the provisions of the said regulations. It is submitted that Appendix H to the notification amending the Regulations 2017, which came into force with effect from 4/2/2019, therefore shall not be applicable. It is further submitted by the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioners that rules of game cannot be changed midway as per the settled proposition of law. Para. In support of his above submission, learned counsel for the petitioners has heavily relied upon the recent decision of this court dated 30/5/2019 in writ petition civil number 55 of 2019 titled Janhit Abhiyan versus Union of India. It is submitted that in the said decision, this court has held that the EWS reservations could not be made applicable midway after the selection process for medical PG of 2019, which commenced in the month of November 2018, whereas notification reserving EWS quota came in February-March 2019. It is further submitted by the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioners that even otherwise the petitioners are eligible under Regulations 2019 also, as they fulfill the required percentage disability between 40.80%. It is submitted that the minimum percentage disability to the eligibility for availing reservation under PWD is 40%. It is submitted that while rejecting the petitioners to be not eligible for medical course, the state government has not at all considered the fact that PWD is bound to have certain problems, including the parameters mentioned in Appendix H with Clause F of Clause 4 within bracket 1 of the Regulations 2019. Now, so far as the submission on behalf of the petitioners that notification dated 4/2/2019 shall not be applicable and the erstwhile regulations shall be applicable and the relevant date should be the date on which the process for admission has started, i.e. in the month of November 2018. It is vehemently submitted that the relevant date for eligibility criteria would be the date on which the petitioners were to get submission. It is submitted therefore that the date on which the petitioners applied for admission in medical course under PWD quota and appeared before the medical board, that should be the relevant date, and the notification came into force on 4/2/2019. The same shall be applicable. Making the above submissions, it is prayed to dismiss the present writ petitions. Stop.